Now, in a previous example, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It's the 6th step, which is the for each output as table. I wanted to point out a delineation here that we're beginning to make as our scripts are developing. So at the very top here, we have our data, and then below our data, we have our logic. Now our data is cleanly separated from our logic, which means that we can modify this data pretty easily without accidentally affecting the logic at all. Now the separation between data and logic is very important, and you'll see it highlighted throughout the various examples in this series. The idea is that our data is usually coming from a different source. It's not the developers that are coming up with the data. And so, for example, if we had a client and they needed to modify this list of people here, they would need to come into this page and modify it. Now this is a little bit dangerous because they probably don't understand the structure of a multi-dimensional array, and they may get a little confused and begin working on some of this other logic down here. So even though conceptually our data is up here and our logic is down here, we still wouldn't open up this file to be modified by our users.